Dear students, in this video we'll deal with the estimation of the oxygen. The one method here we can use is if you determine the percentage of the in the organic compound, if you subtract the percentage of all the other elements, and we can automatically get the from 100, if you deduct the percentage of all the other elements of organic compound, we can get the percentage of oxygen. Now there is another method, we can directly also determine the percentage of oxygen. In that case, you have to heat the organic compound in a stream of nitrogen, which will liberate oxygen and other gaseous products. Now this mixture is passed over red hot coke in presence of 1100 degrees Celsius. Red hot coke at 1100 degrees Celsius, which will give you carbon monoxide. Now this carbon monoxide is again passed through iodine pentoxide, and it will give you CO2 and iodine. Now here you can see the amount of CO is different in both the cases. Just we have to make equal, so we have multiplied by 5 the first equation and by 2 the second equation, so it will give you the equal amount of CO in both the equations. Now from this equation you can see that CO2 is 10 and oxygen is 5, so the ratio is 1:2. It means that 2 moles of CO2 is produced by 1 mole of oxygen. So let the mass of the organic compound here be m gram, and the mass of CO2 produced be m1 gram. So 2 moles of CO2 will be produced by 1 mole of oxygen, that is 32 gram. So m1 gram of CO2 will be produced by how much oxygen? That is 32 into m1 divided by 88 gram of oxygen. Now if you have to determine the percentage, again the weight of the oxygen, that is 32 into m1 divided by 88 divided by the total weight of the compound, that is m into 100. So this will give you the percentage of the oxygen. You can also determine the percentage of oxygen by determining the amount of iodine produced. Here we have taken CO2, you can also take it by using iodine by the same process. This is how we can estimate directly the oxygen from a given organic compound.